Hello everyone, it's Calvin. Thanks for checking out the video. Today is Thursday, January 24th, 2013, guys. Alright, let's look at these charts. Let's start with the SPY. Just been knocking out of the ballpark. I really don't know what to say. Pretty much every single call that I've been making is just pretty much dead on. Go back to my previous video and just track back. You always look back and just see what I'm doing here. Just nailing every single call. Let's start off with the SPY. What did I say in the last video? I said 150. That's where we're going to stall out, probably top out. And if you played that just off that call intraday, off the 150 level, you'd be just swimming in profits right now. Because we probably poked our head just a little bit over that. The 150 level, nice psychological number. And got a nice pullback the rest of the day. We made an 11:30 top Eastern Standard Time. And just a nice pullback for the rest of the day. Made a 618 retrace, and now we might continue down. But very nice trade right there. Beautiful call. Just been nailing it left and right, guys. Just gonna have to just go back to the videos, and you can it'll be verified just like that. Let's look at Amazon. I stated the chart looks fine, holding up, and guess what happens? Nice pop off a time count as well. Right into resistance, but that was a nice trade right there. That's what I called on Amazon. As long as it stays above this neckline or this trend line, it's holding up well. And sure enough, next day you get a nice pop. Next, what do we got? I said for Apple, I said there's further downside. It was into support. I said you would not swing it because of the 3-day rule, and it bounced at support. But what happened? End of the day, right back at the support level, right back at the low of the day. Now, if you did play this as a intraday day trade, yeah, you made 10 bucks, 12 bucks right here off this bounce. But that's why I said you could play as a day trade. But if you held that, look what, you're at break even, and the bigger pattern is saying there's more downside. See how my calls are just dead on accurate, just to the T. It's just amazing. Okay, guys, I said that this measured move came to fruition. It bounced after hours right at the level. It made a bounce, I believe, till I wasn't following, about 470. But notice it gapped below that level. When it gaps below that level, it now becomes resistance. Okay, see how perfect this plays out. This line is at the same spot and not touch it. Okay, it tested it because when you open below it, it's confirmed on an open, and then it's a gap play pretty much. And then when you hit your head back, it's now resistance. See how perfect that plays out. And now we've continued to the downside. Just an absolute amazing thing when you can read these charts. Nailed pretty much Apple. My levels are still the same on Apple, guys. 420, that is my level. Let's look at intraday, see where it bounced up to. Pretty much exactly to this measured move. This was the measured move, okay, off the pattern. This was support, but we gapped below it. Actually, we bounced here in this vicinity after hours, but when we opened below it, and now it becomes resistance. Perfect. Is also a 382 retrace. And it's a perfect example how support now becomes resistance. Just an amazing thing right into that level, and now we're pulling back. So pretty much, let me go over the level again on Apple. What I'm looking at, 420 is the level. I'm telling you right now, this is a great level. As long as we drop right into this in the next 2 days, this is a great spot right here with the gap fill, breakout area as well. This is where the stock broke out and start this crazy run. That's going to be a nice test of this breakout here. So beautiful little gap play here at the 420. It can go a little lower. Maybe it could, shake some people out. Maybe the 418, but this is your general vicinity right here, guys. I'll make it in red so you guys can see it more clear. This is your shot right here. Anywhere in this vicinity, you could probably think to pick up some for a short-term trade, for a few days swing. To actually, if you're a long-term investor, I wouldn't necessarily be, you could tuck some away here, but the level for that, in my opinion, you gotta look at the bigger time frames. And from what I remember, around 350 to 320. If you're a long-term investor, that's where you want to start picking it up. That's where the 618 retrace is. That is a very safe spot to pick some up for long-term. Let's go over Google. Google, as you guys know, I've been eyeing a short for the longest time off this big inside bar pattern. Very nice pattern. And sure enough, we are right into that level right now. So if you want to give it a shot, it's a very tight stop. I mean, I don't have a problem with it. Just know that the earnings were good, and we did pop. So we just have to, just know that and keep a close eye on this pattern. But right now, any close back above it will negate the pattern. You can just get out for a tight loss. But your downside is more significant. But the trend, it's starting to uptrend again. Okay, see all these moving averages are starting to slope up, so the chart is recovering. So we'll just see how it all plays out. But pretty much, if you were patient, I said, don't short until it gets to this high of this bar, and that's actually right there right now. See how patience pays off. If you want to play that, it is possible. Just any close back above daily close above this high of this bar, you just get out, move out. Okay, guys, just move on. There's always other trades. Is there anything I want to look at else? I think that's it. I just want to do a nice short video. Just want to give an example of what I'm all about, guys. Pretty much all these calls have just been dead on. If you guys have questions, you want to put something in the comment box, want to put a ticker symbol, and I will look over that and update you guys in my next video. Okay, guys, I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day.